Hello! Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can significantly boost your English proficiency, phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Letting. If you let someone in, you allow them to come into a place, usually by opening the door for them. Example, I let my friend in when he knocked on the door. Letting. Light up. To light something up means to shine light on or in it, so that it is bright and easy to see. Examples: the street lights light up the road at night. When she saw the surprise party, her face lit up with joy. Light up. Look for. If you look for something or someone, you try to find them. Examples: she is looking for a new job because she wants a change. We need to look for a solution to this problem. Look for. Pick up. If you pick something or someone up, you lift them up from a surface. You can also use lift up. Examples: can you pick up that book from the floor? She picked up her child and hugged him tightly. Pick up. Put back. If you put something back somewhere, you put it in the place it was in before it was moved. Examples: please put the book back on the shelf when you're done reading it. He decided to put back the money he borrowed from his friend. Put back. Put down. If you put down someone or something that you are holding or carrying, you put them on the floor or on a table, bed. You can also use set down. The opposite of put down is pick up. Examples: she put down her bag and took a seat. After the meeting, he put down his notes and left the room. Put down. Put in. If you put something in or put one thing in another, you put one thing inside another thing. Examples: please put the dishes in the dishwasher after you finish eating. She put in a new battery in her remote control. Put in. Put together. If you put together an object or its parts, you join its parts to each other so that it can be used. The opposite of put together is take apart. Examples: she put together a puzzle that had over 1,000 pieces. The team worked hard to put together a presentation for the meeting. Put together. Put up. If you put something up, you move it to a higher position. Examples: she put up a picture on the wall to decorate the room. We need to put up the tent before it gets dark. Put up. Take away. If you take something away from a place or position, you remove it from a place and put it somewhere else. The opposite of take away is put back. Examples: the waiter will take away your empty plates. She took away the toys from the floor to clean the room. Take away. Take back. When you take something back, you take it to the place where you were before or where it was before. Examples: I need to take back the library books I borrowed last month. Please take back the items you no longer need to the store. Take back. Take into. If you take someone or something into a place, you go with them there. Examples: I will take you into the museum to see the new exhibit. Can you take the groceries into the kitchen, please? Take into. Throw at. If you throw an object at someone or something, you try to hit them with the object by throwing it. Examples: he threw the ball at his friend during the game. The kids were playing and started to throw snowballs at each other. Throw at. Throw away. If you throw something away, you get rid of it because you no longer want or need it. Examples: he regretted throwing away his old toys after he saw them in a store. I decided to throw away all the old magazines I no longer read. Throw away. Throw in. If you throw something in or throw it in something, you casually put or drop it into something such as a container or mixture. Examples. She decided to throw in a few more vegetables to the soup for extra flavor. They threw in some ice cubes to keep the drinks cold. Throw in. Throw out. If you throw out something, you throw it so that it moves quickly away from you. Examples. He decided to throw out the old furniture that was taking up too much space. She threw out the ball to her dog, who eagerly chased after it. Throw out. Another meaning. If you throw out something you no longer want, you get rid of it. You can also use throw away. Examples. I decided to throw out all the clothes that no longer fit me. Before moving, we need to throw out anything we don't need anymore. Throw out. Turn off. If you turn off a device or machine, you make it stop working using its controls. You can also use switch off. The opposite of turn off is turn on. Examples. If it turns off, it stops working. Please turn off the lights when you leave the room. He forgot to turn off his computer before going to bed. Turn off. Turn on. If you turn a device or machine on, you make it start working using its controls. You can also use switch on. Examples. If it turns on, it starts working. Please turn on the lights. It's getting dark in here. He turned on the television to watch the news. Turn on.